Hey guys, Kickflip Crow here. Today I have this bar of soap to show you guys. It's still in the box. So I guess this is kind of like an unboxing. So I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna take a look at the soap inside, guys. So this soap is green. I don't know if soap is typically green. One thing that people say about soap sometimes is when you drop the soap on the floor, the soap is the soap clean, or is the ground dirty? So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was a clean video for you. Thanks for watching.